Hello friends, you are a teacher. You always try to conduct your lesson in creative, engaging and beneficial way for students. If so, watch to the end. You will be interested.
This method is one of the creative methods of working with topics when you work with reading and listening tasks.
This method is called my vlog. Why did I think that this method will be interesting to students?
Because nowadays there is a huge amount of information coming from social networks. How to do this in practice? The aims of the method: to develop speaking skills and critical thinking. The objectives: to do group work in different ways, to discuss the given topic in a group, to share what you know with your friends, to differentiate the key idea. Application: the class is divided into 2 or 3 groups. You should name your group using social networks, for example, YouTube and Instagram. You provide handout material, with the help of which they present to you the main idea of the topic, in the form of a vlog.
They experiment themselves with little asking outside doing the message of the sales with aid. The participant youth are bringing up yearly hoping to the approval of a celebrity, but they aren't waiting for a film star and famous singer. Tonight they came to watch the book special to know their Қазақстан боксшысы Геннадий Головкин мен мексикандық боксшы Канело Альварес арасындағы керемет жекпе-жекке қабылдап боламыз. Қазір жанкүйерлердің қолдауы естілуде. Ендеше осы жанкүйерлерден жанкүйерлермен сұхбат жасайық. Where did you come from? I'm from Kazakhstan. I come from Kazakhstan. Wow, very good. How long have you been a part of Gennady Golovkin? I have been a fan of Gennady Golovkin since childhood. I have been a fan of Gennady Golovkin for 2 years, 6 years old. I have been a fan of Gennady Golovkin 2 years. Working recently at the University of London to ask a question. What is your aspiration of Gennady Golovkin? How did you achieve this? And what is the question? Мне кажется, устраивал свои блокировки прикрытия фотоларных спортивных экстремальных те самые, которые живут за истерным, не было спортивных.
I'm sure that Gennady will win in today's, but his rival is strong and young. Forward, come on, we believe in you.
Next slide on the left corner of Saul Alvarez and the right corner of Gennady Golovkin. Round 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today's fascinating fight. 1, Gennady Golovkin.